how to change your name on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings. Here you will find this one, and not settings. Click these three lines and then click on your profile, and here you will find edit. Click on it and then just click on your name and then just change it to anything you want, and then click save, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.